Good morning, students. Welcome to our English class for 5th grade. What we will do at the lesson today? Look at the pictures. And what do you think? What is the theme of our lesson today? Yes, there are rooms and furniture. Today we'll speak about rooms and furniture and learn vocabulary words and make sentence using the construction there is and there are. Now let's learn new words of the lesson. Bathroom, bed, bedroom, bedside cabinet, ceiling, cooker, cupboard, door, fireplace, floor, furniture, hall, kitchen, living room, mirror, pillow, sink, sofa, stairs, toilet, wall, window. And now, listen and repeat. Bedroom, bathroom, living room, kitchen, hall. Match the rooms to the pictures. Well, students, let's check. On the first picture, kitchen, the second, living room, third, bedroom, fourth, bathroom, fifth, hall. And now, which words can go under this heading? Rooms, furniture, other. Well, students, let's check. I think you coped with this task. We use there is for singular and there are for plural, meaning to say that something exists. For example, there is a mirror in the bathroom. There are pillows in the bedroom. Write is or are. Let's check. I think you coped this task. Now the next task. Look at the pictures and make sentences like this. For example, there is a wash basin in the bathroom. There are cupboards in the kitchen. Very well. Let's remember what we have done in this lesson today. We have learned the new words of the rooms and furniture and made sentences with there is and there are. That's all. The lesson is over. Goodbye.